The word encourage is derived from words meaning hearten, make strong, and today it generally refers to the hope, confidence, and support we receive or give to others. Without encouragement, we become discouraged from sharing our knowledge and skills, playing life safe due to a lack of confidence. And yet, when we are encouraged, we become enabled to boldly step forward into the fullness of our being, affirming our truth and owning our joy. The question becomes, who are the encouragers in your life, and how are you encouraging those around you?